Hello friends. Welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix AirPods only playing in one ear with one side louder, or say only one AirPods is working. Let's catch and fix the software and hardware problem of your AirPods first generation, second generation, and AirPods Pro. The first solution is to unpair and pair AirPods. Starting the video with an extremely helpful workaround, that is unpairing AirPods from iPhone and pair again. To do so, ensure that iPhone and AirPods closer to each other. First, open the Settings app. And then tap on the Bluetooth. From the list of paired devices, find AirPods and tap on the I button next to that AirPods. And select Forget this device. This action will remove AirPods from all the devices. Now I'll show how to pair AirPods to iPhone. Put the AirPods in the charging case and close the charging case. Open the charging case lid. And press the button on the back side of the charging case for 15 seconds. If you're using AirPods first generation, then the light will flash white and amber inside the AirPods charging case. While AirPods 2 and AirPods Pro's light is on the front side of the charging case. The flashing light demonstrates that the AirPods have been reset. Close the charging case lid and reopen it. Your iPhone should show an AirPods pairing card. Follow the pairing process on a pop-up. Still, the problem is ongoing, then I recommend cleaning up the charging connector to perform a hard reset in the right way. Solution number 2 is clean up connector of AirPods. Sometimes the earwax and dust are responsible for this problem. Also, you can prefer our special video on how to clean AirPods. Here's the mandatory cleaning process for this problem. Let's clean and wax out of it. We can use cotton or soft microfiber cloth, soft brush, earbuds, and teeth stick. First, use fiber cloth and clean the stems of each AirPods one by one. Metal connector on each AirPods coated with your daily sweat during workout or traveling, that's really important. Then clean connector inside of the charging case using earbuds. Roll out earbuds inside the each left and right AirPod slot and try to clean each two connector in each hole carefully. If you having issues with one AirPods is louder, then clean up the speaker grill that is blocked with wax. Use a soft baby brush and clean up using it with a soft hand. Once the connectivity is fine for both the AirPods, then you can perform reset AirPods Pro again and pair it. Put the AirPods in the charging case and close the charging case. Open the charging case lid. And press the button on the back side of the charging case for 15 seconds. And try to connect your AirPods under the Bluetooth settings or pop-up on the iPhone screen. Here I am on Bluetooth settings. Under the Settings app, tap on AirPods and connect AirPods. Here I am connected. Let's play music and test it's now working or not. Also, you should check audio balance. Find settings in the next solution. Solution number 3 is check stereo settings. If the stereo settings inside the accessibility is not set correctly, then only one AirPods will play or not louder enough. To adjust the stereo settings, here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down to the accessibility. Then, tap on Audio, Visual. Here's the audio level section. Make sure the slider is exactly in the middle of the L and R. Also, disable the mono audio. All stereo settings are fine, then perform Reset Network Settings. Solution number 4 is Reset Network Settings. Another worth trying trick is resetting network settings on iPhone. When you do so, all the saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth, cellular settings, will be restored to default. First, launch the Settings app. Next, tap General. Now scroll to Reset. Then, select Reset Network Settings. Now, enter the iPhone passcode and reset network settings. Solution number 5 is use a direct wall plug. Don't use power strip in your computer USB port to charge your AirPods. Use original cable, power adapter, and change directly from wall plug. So you can get a standard power supply and charge enough in less time. Keep your AirPods with a power source for at least 30 minutes or more. On charging time, make sure about red light on the charging case. That's the charging mode. Still, your problem is not fixed, then contact Apple support. Solution number 6 is try using other headphones. If you're able to play third-party Bluetooth headphones or another AirPods, but the problem is only with your AirPods, then reach out to Apple support. It seems like AirPods have a hardware issue, and that can only be fixed by the Apple support team. Also, You can test with your friend or family iPhone. Solution number 7 is turn off volume limit for AirPods. iOS 14 and iPadOS 14 or later device allows users to enable volume limit for headphones such as AirPods. Turn off reduce loud sounds, disable it from the settings. Open Settings app on iPhone, scroll to Sounds and Haptics, then tap on Headphone Safety, and turn off reduce loud sounds. That's it. Solution number 8 is hardware issues, warranty and replacement guide. Your left AirPod's completely dead and doesn't respond after performed all the attempts. Check out warranty status on the Apple device coverage page. Here's my video on how to know my AirPods is under warranty from this Apple page. Or buy a new one AirPod only, on my video screen showing price comparison, what you should pay for buying new AirPod or if it's covered Apple Care plan or out of warranty. I hope this video found helpful, so don't miss a like and comment for more help and feedback. Also, subscribe to this channel for more updates.